Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 8th, 2022. Let's see what we're going to get into today. We're going to get into Google stock. I'm going to show you from the chart that the market looked like it's trying to move up and break above $120. Now, I'm here to show you how you can tell what is the probabilities of that occurring so that we can get out the way and actually participate with the winning team. So to those who are new, welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I'm your boy. I'm the one that comes through and conduct these price predictions because you got so many people out here telling you that you can't do it, telling you that it's impossible to know where prices are going to go. It's impossible because the market is being manipulated. There's so much wrong going on in the stock market that there's no way that you can possibly win. Well, that's not necessarily true. I've shown you all on a plethora of videos on many different stocks that it is very doable for us to predict where prices are going to go and that we can win. You want to see it? I want you all to join me. Then hit the like button, to the video, and also subscribe here to the channel, and as well tap the bell notification as well if you want to learn, because every video that I produce is always a learning opportunity. All right, so check this out. Did a video in Google, okay, on July the 23rd. Okay, that was the last video that I conducted, and I wanted to show you even your boy gets price predictions wrong. I get them incorrect at times. Yes, I understand. But it's a way for you to be non-emotional, because I understand that going into these forecasts, these price predictions, that there will be times where I won't get them all right. I want to show you all this. And when I don't get them right, hey, it's a learning opportunity then, because it shows us where did we go wrong, or at least it gives us the ability to minimize the losses. See, once I recognize that your price prediction is not right, I come back and say, all right, cool, I need to cut it, because if I don't, I'm going to increase my losses. And then two, I want to win. So let me cut this out the way and let me join the ones who are moving the market. Let me show you all what I mean. The market in Google, maybe a day, 2 days since I did my video, it did go down right there on the 26th of July. So it's a very small stint for us to grab the bag in the market in Google. After the 26th, price has just been going up in price. Now I've identified a very important area right here around $120. Okay. And I wanted to show you, look at how many times the price in Google could not break above 120, right? Look at all these trading days that the market could not trade above 120. That simply tells us that this is where the sellers are positioned. Now, what has been occurring into the market in Google though, is that the price has been hovering real close to it though. We've seen the market in Google closely trade about around 120, like it wants to move above 120. That's the first thing that I've noticed. So now, if I'm still seeing that that's the case, obviously the buyers are trying to take this price higher in Google. And if that's the case, I need to get out the way. I don't want to get bulldozed over by the buyers when I'm suspecting that the price is going to go down. Now, do we? No, we don't. So what I'm going to do, okay, is that I'm going to get rid of this price prediction. I'm going to look for Google to go higher before the market actually breaks above 120. Okay. Now, if we were to get on the last trade of Friday, that's around 9% loss. I get it. But if the market continues to go up, then the losses will continue to increase as well. So let's cut that out the way. First things first, let me show you all the weekly chart into the market in Google, okay? So right here on this weekly price bar in Google is another indication that this market in Google is trying to move up right here. Okay, look at that weekly price bar. It almost looks the same as this one. It almost looks the same as this one. Look at that. So the market is trying to break above 120. I'm here to tell you that right now. They're trying to break this price above 120 over the last couple of weeks. This is Google right here on the 2 weeks. And this week's trade is going to be real important for us to see the market in Google break above 120. Yes. Now, all of these 2 weekly price bars, like, look at this. So what's this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, almost 14 weeks. The market in Google has just been trading around 105 to 120. 14 weeks. And the market hasn't even budged to the downside. So this is like the market opened up their wallets, opened up their positions in Google. They're trying to buy this stock right there. Okay, this is what this represents. If they're trying to buy it, then why in the world will someone try to come in and sell it? Oh, because they're thinking that the price is going to go down, because that is what social media and mainstream media is telling everybody, is that these stocks are going to go down, right? Maybe in the next 6 months, 9 months. But right now, somebody is trying to open up their wallets in Google. Okay, so I'm going to play the strength into the market in Google. I'm going to look for the price to go up. Now, I get it. The risk is that 120 is going to maintain as rejection. I get it. My first price target is going to be here around 124, 125. That gives us around 5% profitability. Okay. That's the first price target. My second one is going to be around 130, 128 into the market in Google. I think I might just leave it right there. Then bring us over to the daily chart real quick. Let's go ahead and look at this. Okay, so that first price target is around 125. Second one, I'm gonna go with 128. And my third one's gonna be right there around 130. Now, you guys can see that arrow to the left, right? That is what the gap is. Okay, that is why I'm trying to tell you that we may not be done with price going down in Google. But right now, the strength is being seen. So the market is going to try to move higher. And we got our price targets. 125, 128, 130 is where we're looking for the market to try to run in Google on this current leg higher. Now, I know a lot of people have been saying that this has been a bear market rally. It could be, but charts don't lie. And currently the market is trying to move higher. And once the sellers come in, once the market gives us indications of weakness, then we'll know we need to jump ship and take the market short again. That's how this game is meant to be played. You got to be versatile. You got to be agile. You got to know when to move. You got to know when you got to change positions and change your thought process in order for you to win. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts as to what you think about the market in Google. Are we going to continue to see this market run up, or are we going to get rejected at 120 and come back down? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.